whatever. Okay, hi people. Today we're gonna try and do the first video a chatterbox. Whatever it is a chatterbox. Oh, first you just need this type of paper. Yay for that! You just need this a square paper of nothing unusual. Look, you can do it just like this. If you want to make it as perfect as possible, which I'm not good at, you can just watch, carry on. That's not serious I'm talking. If you just want to hold, just make any chatterbox, just miss like a minute or two. But like now it's starting to the church. If you want a proper look. First, you do both sides to make like this, like 2 lines. So carefully, 1, 2. Okay, it looks like 4. So you can see the middle here. Yep. Then you take the corners and put it in the middle, as in the middle as you can. And it will look something like this, like this. Then you turn it over and do the same again. Do it to the middle again, same, everything the same, just literally doing it second time. Don't ask why I can't do it on a pause or anything. I'm not on a phone or computer, I'm on a tablet. And I go for my 10th birthday. This is useless. Then you can just fold it like this, like a cuboid. Then all the way like a cuboid. And then again. And then you fold it like this to make this part on top. And then you put your fingers in the squares and push it together. Then now you can just do green, purple, blue, and what's the pink? Done. Like done. The colors are done. You can do it with the color itself. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then this will be different, like this. Do the lines to separate, I think. It's going to be not so easy. So just skip a bit if you don't want to, if you're hurrying. Look, done. Easy. Then you write in for number 5. Here we're gonna do you are cool. Something like that. Done. Then you do for each one. Then you just close it again and put it back on your fingers. Next. No. Then, like, I'm choosing green. G-R-E-E-N. Then you choose a number. I'll choose 1. So 20 ones. Then I choose 6. You are with. Done. it's not so hard. Don't forget to like the video. Don't subscribe if you don't want to. Just like it, please. If you don't like it, I'm not going to be your friend. Bye.